Alrighty ladies, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I am going to be using the Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors. Here I am showing you the different colors it comes with. It's 5 beautiful colors. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first one, which is Berry Chic. And I'm going to be using this LAB Just Blending In brush. And I'm going to go ahead and use that as my transition color. As you can see, it is a little bright. It looks a little bright because I had already primed my eyelids. So as you can see, it's a little bright, but what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and blend it in there, because once you're done with the look, it'll all go together, so it won't look super bright the way it looks here. And like I said, I'm blending it in, and it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. It is definitely okay, because at the end we will come back and fix all the little boo-boos that we did. So you just want to make sure and apply it and make sure that you blend, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you here how I keep on blending. So now I'm grabbing the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply Roseberry on top of that color that I just applied. And I'm going to go ahead and continue on to blend that color into the crease so it can be a little bit darker, a little bit more defined. As you can see here, I'm still working on my crease. I'm actually using the color Berry Pop to make it look a little bit more bold. I'm obviously doing it on both eyes so it can look nice and bold. And I'm just working it in there, blending. And now I'm picking up this brush. It is by Elizabeth Mott, and it is called Blending Brush. And I'm going to go ahead and apply Mixed Berries on there. So Mixed Berries is super pigmented, so you have to be pretty careful using it because it is very pigmented. So what I'm doing is I'm still applying on my crease so it can look nice and defined, but I'm also using this fluffier blending brush, the black one, so it can blend in pretty nicely. But here I'm still going over with my Elizabeth Mott brush, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. And as you can see right away, once I apply it, it gives you that bold look, because Mixed Berries is a super pigmented color, and I just go back and forth with the brushes. Using the same blending brush, I'm going to grab an itty bitty amount of Blackberry and apply it right on the outer V, and make sure to blend that one, since that color is pretty hardcore and dark. You just want to make sure to blend it in the outer V to give it that pop that you need. Alrighty, so you finished blending, and now you grab your shape tape, or I'm grabbing my shape tape and I'm putting it on my hand, and I'm using this Vasanti flat brush, and I am going to apply it on my lid. And I'm doing this because I'm going to be using a different color so it can pop a little bit more, and you will be able to see more of the different eyeshadows I use. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab this Stella glitter, and it is Kitten Karma. And I'm going to put it in my hand as well because I don't want it to be super glittery. So that's why I'm putting it in my hand, and I'm going to apply it right where the concealer is, just to give it a little pop of glitter. If I put it right on my eyelid just straight from the tube, it'll be super glittery, but that's not what I'm going for right now. So here, using my Equal Tools little brush, I'm going to go ahead and grab Berry Pop and apply it to my waterline. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out, or back and forth, just to make sure it looks nice and blended on the bottom of the waterline, because I will be applying, oh my god, I have a brain fart, eyeliner. So I just want to make sure that it looks nice and pretty down there. So I'll make sure to do it on both sides. And here I am grabbing my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in black, and I am applying it not in any specific way. I just added any other way because I will be using my Equal Tools brush to blend it out and make it a little bit messier, a little bit more blended, I guess. Not blended, but to smudge it out so it won't look so perfect in the under eye. So I just want to go ahead and smudge so it can kind of smudge in with the Berry Pop. Here I'm picking up the Shape Tape by Tarte, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it in that little area there so I can clean up the eyeshadow that is not wanted. So using this Real Techniques brush, I am going to do just exactly what I'm doing here. I'm going to be cleaning and making a pretty sharp line because that's how I usually wear my eyeshadow. So you can make it, whatever shape you want, but this is what I usually do. I usually go out and then I make sure that it doesn't look too dramatic, but that it still looks kind of good. So I do the same thing for both sides. I go out and then kind of come in right there and make sure that there's no eyeshadow going, somewhere that it's not supposed to be going. So here I'm going to go ahead and grab my mascara and put some mascara before I actually put my lashes. I have horrible eyelashes, so it doesn't matter how much mascara I use, but I have to apply some right before I put on my falsies. So I'm making sure I get these tiny little lashes full of mascara, and I'm going back with the blending brush and just doing some blending. So here I'm going to use my Ardell Demi lashes in 120, and I'm using my my Duo Lash Glue in Clear, and I am blowing on that lash so it can get nice and tacky. I usually use my tweezers, but I couldn't find them, so I used my hands. So here I am applying my lashes. I really love these lashes. They are everything. And here I am getting, into the music, getting a little too crazy, but I'm applying the glue on the other lash and doing a little dancing and blowing on it and applying it. So look at that difference right away, girl, because this girl ain't got no lashes. But wait and see the outcome in 3, 2, 1. Bam, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. I finished my face off with some bronzer. On camera it looks a little too bam, but I promise you it wasn't that crazy. I went ahead and applied a liquid lipstick and finished the look up, looking all innocent and cute, ready for Valentine's Day. Yes, girl, work, yes. So that is my Valentine's look using the Blushing Berries by Dose of Colors. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye!